how to create a Chime bank account. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Chime bank account. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Chime app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Then select sign up. Over here, it will ask you for your first name and last name. Enter your first name and last name and then click on next. After that, it will ask you for your email address. Enter your email address and click on next. Then it will ask you for your date of birth. You have to enter your date of birth and ensure you are 18 years old or older to join Chime. Next, enter your phone number. Make sure to enter your original phone number as Chime does not accept virtual or VoIP numbers. Once you've entered your phone number, click on Next. Chime will send you a one-time password to your phone. Copy the one-time password and paste it in the provided section. Once you have entered the security code, click on Next. Chime will take some time to verify your details, and once verified, you will have successfully created your Chime bank account. So that's basically how you can create a Chime bank account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.